Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It is a vegan month, a vegan vegetable month of July. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a fast and easy smoothie using everything that's good and everything that's fun. So if you want me to show you how I make this vegan smoothie in my kitchen, come on and let's go. Now let's go talk about the ingredients and the things that you're going to need to make up this vegan smoothie. I have here a pack of frozen fruits, and that one right there is raspberry, banana, and blueberry. And you can get whatever kind that you want. You can even use the fresh fruits from the vegetable store or the fruit market or the farmer's market or your local supermarket. But I always keep these at hand, and they are pretty good and they're pretty fresh. Trust me, they are. Now I'm also going to add some oats to that, and that is raw oats, raw granola oats. If you have any kind of oats, go ahead and use that. I'm going to use half a cup of raw oats in there. I'm also going to add some almond nuts, and you could add any kind of nuts, but that's almond nuts. You could add peanuts, cashew nuts, whatever nuts that you like. You don't necessarily have to use the nut that I'm using, so you could use what you like. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm also going to add about 4 tablespoons of yogurt, and that is a non-dairy yogurt that I'm using, and that is the coconut flavor, and you want to make sure that you have that to put in it. I'm also going to use 2.5 cups of soy milk. Vanilla soy is good. If you have that, use it. And I'm going to spice it up with some nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and allspice. So everything in there is a half a teaspoon. And so that's all. So all you need now is your blender. So let's go. So okay guys, let's get this thing going. I'm going to go ahead and put my fruits in. And then I just want to go ahead and put my nuts in as well. Add my dried oats. I'm also going to put my cinnamon powder, my nutmeg, and my allspice in there. Kick it up a notch. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm also going to add my coconut yogurt, and that's non-dairy. But remember, you're making vegan, so you don't want to put nothing that has dairy in it. I'm also going to add 2.5 cups of soy milk. If you have almond milk, you could use that as well. Rice milk, but don't use dairy. Alright? And all you want to do is put your lid on. I'm going to blend this away. And I'll be back. My vegan fruit smoothie is all done. And there you have it, guys. So there you have it, guys. It is all done there for you. It is nice. It's nice and rich and creamy. This one is mine. This is for me, guys. And let me give it a taste test. It is so good. The yogurt, the coconut yogurt, it gives it a nice flavor. It is so good. Alright guys, there you have it. July vegan month. Let me know what kind of vegan dish you want to see me cooking, and subscribe. And also don't forget, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.